This is Franklin Avenue with a private outdoor space at $1,200 per roommate. Laundry right off this amazing living room and a really decent sized kitchen. No dishwasher, but it's big. Look at how tall those ceilings are. This is in a two-family home. You've got one bathroom, right off of the living room. There's your entrance right there. And then you've got two more levels. So there's another entrance right there. Here's the bedroom, at least the first bedroom. So that second entrance is right on the side. And then you've got that little outdoor space over there, closet, and bedroom number 2. This one is super spacious with access to this really great yard. You can see the previous tenants left their grill, but this has got to be 25 feet long. And let's see what the next tenant does with this. Let's go check out the next bedrooms. You have another bathroom right here that's just below the upstairs bathroom. And then you've got another level down here. There's a window right over there. Looks like a closet over there. All the bedrooms are super spacious. Look at this one. This is kind of cool with 2 closets. There's no bathroom down here. You've got to go upstairs for that.